Hi, I'm Ted Balaker with Reason TV. What do you think of the price tag for President Obama's health care plan?
Will cost somewhere on the order of $1 trillion over the next 10 years.
$1 trillion.
$1 trillion.
$1 trillion. We hear the $1 trillion figure all the time, as if that's what the health care plan would really end up costing.
That's real money, even in Washington.
But remember the last time Washington performed major surgery on the healthcare system?
We're traveling the country, reminding people that there's a fantastic opportunity for our seniors.
President Bush signed the Medicare prescription drug benefit into law in 2003. Price tag, $400 billion.
Just 2 months later, the Bush administration announced a new estimate, $534 billion.
The costs of this program go up almost daily.
All of Washington is suffering from sticker shock.
Started at $400 billion, then it went to $500 billion. Now we're at $720 billion and we're still counting.
Still counting is right, because that $400 billion program now costs $950 billion.
Let me just take a step back for a second. Medicare wasn't working the way I thought it should. Lyndon Johnson, our fellow Texan, signed the bill.
President Johnson signed the bill, making it the law of the land, July 30th, 1965.
Back then, politicians said Medicare would cost $9 billion by 1990. But when 1990 rolled around, the actual cost was 644% higher. From Boston's Big Dig to just about any rail transit line, seems like whatever politicians touch ends up costing way more than expected. The Iraq War? The price tag is about 2,000% more than advertised. All kinds of government agencies try to protect consumers from false claims private companies make. It would be nice if Americans could get some truth in advertising from our government. What are the chances Congress would pass an anti-sticker shock law? It might go something like this.
Any member of Congress who sponsors a bill that ends up costing more than expected is forbidden from running for re-election.
Because it doesn't matter if the program digs into the dirt. The 1996 Farm Bill ended up 151% pricier than advertised, or floats beyond the Earth's atmosphere. Space station 77% more expensive. If politicians are in charge, you can bet on stratospheric cost hikes. So should we expect sticker shock from Obamacare?
$1 trillion.
$1 trillion.
$1 trillion.
Who knows, maybe it'll be different this time around. For Reason TV, I'm Ted Balaker.
Now I need something new. I press up.